Hello everyone. So today we are going to be discussing how to use MySQL Workbench software or HeidiSQL software to create tables, and within those tables enter data using insert queries, and also to search for specific data which we have in our contents of our table. So here's a sample question number 8. So to facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software which uses the following table to store the data in the computer software. Answer the questions asked in this table. So these are the two tables, and so they've asked us to create a database named mshop to save the data in a mobile phone shop, and to create a table as customer and product in the database, and to follow the instructions given below. So we have our customer ID. So all of these are varchar except the price. So customer ID length 10, primary key, and first name, last name, gender, contact number, product ID, brand name, model number, and the price. So basically this is what we have to create in our database, and this is what we are going to make now. So here in question number 4 they've asked us to find all the customers. In question number 5 to find the details of all the products, and question number 6 to find the details of the customer whose customer ID is CUS03. So let's move on to our database to execute this. So now I'm going to create the database. So the database is going to be named as mshop, and so in mshop we are going to create a customer table. So what we have here is our customer table, and now we need to know this is what we need to create. So we need our customer ID. It is going to be a varchar of 10, and it's going to be our primary key as well. So go to right click here and get our primary key. Then we have the first name and set it as varchar 45. Then our last name, then our gender, set it as the length 10, and finally our contact number. So this is the customer table. So this is it, and I'm going to, all of these values are null. I'm going to set it to no default value. So that we can actually enter data into this. So now all of these are no default value. I'm going to save this table, and here we have got our table here. Next, our product table. So create new product. Okay, create new. So product. So similarly our product ID, it is going to be varchar 10. Then our brand name, yes, so our brand name varchar 45. Model number, which is going to be the same as well, and finally the quantity, and the price. No quantity, just the price. So I'm going to delete this and name this as price and set it as double. I'm going to click on save, and now we have our product table as well. So now we are going to enter in the data which we have. So these are basically the data which we have in our table. So we have our customer table here and our product table here. So I'm just going to check if the columns are correct. So here we have the customer table. In our customer table we have customer ID, first name, last name, gender, and contact number. So that is correct. Then in our product table, product ID, brand name, model number, and the price. So everything is set here. I'm going to click on execute, and something is wrong here, so I'm just going back and I'm going to check on what is wrong with our table number 1. So okay, our product table, customer table has been filled with the data we needed, and that is correct. Yeah, that is correct. So those have been added correctly. So the customer table is done, and our product table. So we have only had 5 products added. So I'm going to erase this file and click on execute. So the column count doesn't match with count at row 1. So the column count here doesn't match with the column count at row 1. So let's see what's wrong here. So we have our product ID, so product ID, brand name, Apple, and so we have exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here as well. I think we missed a full comma here, and I'm going to click on this, and this has been added here as well. So let me check the data, click on refresh, and now we have everything here as well. So now I'm going to head back to our question to see our next part. So what we have here is a query to find the detail to find our customers. So I'm going to click on execute, and here we have their first name and last name. So these are what we get. We have selected as per our question. They've asked us to find our customers, and these are our customers. They haven't asked for the details. So the next one, select everything from the products. So we have selected all, and these are all the values which we have from our product. And finally, to select all the details from the customer, where the customer ID is 3, I'm going to execute this, and here we have all the details of the third customer. So basically that is it for this video on how to use our search queries in accordance with the insert queries for our database. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.